Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Python shell window, your interactive playground for learning Python step by step. Let's get started. When you see Python prompt like a triple greater than sign, so it's called Python compiler. It means Python is ready to listen. So I'm typing here 2 plus 3, so it will display 5. Now you can use print function to show message. I'm typing here print hello Python. So then it will display hello Python. The shell is like a calculator. Try addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or even power. So now I am typing here 10 plus 4, 14, and for the subtraction 10 minus 4, 6. Then I am using 3 multiply 7, 21, and then 8 division 2, 4, and then 5 power 2, 25. You can store values in variables and reuse them. So I am taking here x equal to 10, y equal to 3, and then x plus y means 30. Or we can calculate x multiply y means 30. Python comes with built-in functions just like a Python library functions. So for example, len function to count the characters and round functions to round the numbers. Like len string is banana. So total number of characters it will display 6. Round function 3.14159, 2. So it will show you 2 digits after dot. It means 2 decimal numbers it will take. If you are stuck, type help to learn more. Like help len. Mistakes show up instantly. For example, dividing by 0 gives an error like 10 division 0. So 0 division error, division by 0 error will display. You can write multi-line code using indentation like for I in range 3 colon print high variable I. Modules add extra power. For example, the math module gives a square root and pi. So for this we need to import math module. So I am writing here import math. Then we can use math.sqrt for a square root of 16. So it will show you 4. Then we can use math.pi. It will show you the pi value 3.14. The shell is perfect for quick experiments like name equal to in a square bracket Asha, Ravi, Neha. So then we can see the values of name variables. So we can write here name. All the values will display. In IDLE, input, output and error are color coded. Plus, call trips and auto completion make coding faster. For longer programs, use the script window, write your code, save it as .py. So if you want to make the file of your program, so we can use a script window. I'm giving you one example for it. Firstly, I am using comment line. So the comment line is hash to add 2 numbers. So I am taking a equal to 23 and B equal to 45. Then I am using formula C equal to A plus B for addition. Then I want to display this value, so then I am using print function, print addition, and then variable. I am using to save this file with the file name .py. py is the file extension of Python. So like I'm using the file name is demo.py. Okay, click on save option, or we can use shortcut key Ctrl S, then give your file name, and after this click on save button, so your file name will be visible on the tab. Then I am running this file, so see, this is the result, addition equal to 68. We can open this file again also if we have already created. So go to open, then choose your file, click on open, so your file will be visible. Then again you can run it, see your result will be visible. Thank you.